YouTube video chapters. Why are they so important and how to include them in your video? So first, let's understand why YouTube chapters are so powerful. If you go to Google and you type just a random topic, let's say YouTube video chapters, the topic of this video, the first result you will see is from Google support blog explaining about YouTube video chapters. But if you scroll down, you will see that the second result is a video, a YouTube video. So Google will rank this video based on the chapters from this video. And you will see here the chapters, and also you will see the name of the chapters. And if you look carefully, you will see that some of the chapters include those keywords, YouTube video chapters. And that's why, because of those keywords, Google ranked this video higher in search results. Now you understand why it's so powerful. To rank your video higher, you should definitely include those little chapters or stamps, timestamps in your YouTube video. So let me show you how those chapters or timestamps looks. So let's pick one of my videos. Let me just pause it real quick. And let's go to my description, and here you will see timestamps. So you have these blue little times that if you click on one of them, you'll be prompted to the exact chapter of this video. First chapter, which I called intro, starting on 0:00, and then the next one is 0:57 seconds. And if you click on that, your video will just jump to this point. You also can see little breaks between the chapters, and if you hover over with your mouse, you will see the name of the chapter. So how you add those little chapters on your YouTube video? This is very simple. You can do it when you upload in video, or you can go back to your old videos. Just go to your description, and let's say I want to place it here underneath the music. So let's type chapters, and let's start typing. First you have to type 0:00 for the first chapter. Let's say we call it intro. Then the next chapter will start, let's say 0:15 seconds. So the requirements from YouTube is that if you have chapters, you have to include at least 3 chapters, and each chapter have to be at least 10 seconds long. This way they will appear on your YouTube video. So this is gonna be minute 25, how to use YouTube Shorts. So I'm improvising here, and let's say we finished. We have 3 chapters, each one of them more than 10 seconds long. And now you just click on save, and those chapters, even you don't see it here, and if you click on that or your viewer click on that, they will be prompted to this chapter. So that was easy, right? And of course you should watch your video and know exactly how to time those chapters. And let me show you how YouTube adds automatic chapters on your video. If you scroll down under the paid promotion, you will see automatic chapters. And here you can allow automatic chapters. If you decide you don't want to allow automatic chapters, YouTube won't put automatic chapters on your video. Now, if you're doing your own chapters, YouTube won't put any automatic chapters on your video. I strongly suggest you to add chapters. Watch the video, know exactly the timing, and add those chapters. If you don't have time, then let YouTube add those chapters for you, because it can really help you rank on Google. That was all for today. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if it helped just a little bit, and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like that. I see you in the next one. Bye bye, creator.